Today we're on a little bit of a barn find or a yard find. Ryan's pride and joy. It looks like we're pulling up on it right here.
Yeah. Is that not beautiful or what?
Look at that thing.
Think it'll fire up? It's gonna run. Drive the thing home.
So Ryan's been here before and has checked it out already, and we're definitely taking this thing. Maybe not today,
Right.
but we're gonna try to fire it up today.
See if we get the tires aired up. If we have to, we can drag it out of the.
Do we have to cut any trees? Look at that.
Nah.
It's been buried. How long has it been sitting there?
20 years, she said. The original owner.
Man, oh man, it looks nice. At least it's got a roof.
It's got a little leak up in the roof, but yeah.
But it has a roof.
It has a roof. Yeah. This is a flood area, so I think this all is rotted away because it's definitely got to get flooded in this area. So, but the rest of the floor, I walked through it already. There's one soft spot in the back that I found, but other than that, it didn't seem that bad.
All right, we're going in. Any snakes?
Probably.
Holy crap.
Yeah, we got a leak by the AC, and I noticed the floor had a little soft spot right down there.
The soft spot's all them clothes you're stepping on.
Could be. I mean, you know, I'm not even
Oh, there's a tissue if you need it. Those are getting hard to find, you know.
There's a box of shoes up there. I think that looks like your size too.
Oh. Wow. It's kind of a time capsule.
You have the same shirt.
Look at that. Look at that. Look, you got a new set of drapes up here.
Look at that. It's tight.
Wait. Newspaper.
Oh, wait a minute.
Newspaper.
She says it's been sitting for 20 years, so.
There's a sports page.
That's gotta have the. Yeah, here we go.
Where's the date? 98.
Uh-oh. Shit.
Seriously. Hey, where is it?
She wasn't lying.
Holy crap. Oh, Sears. Is there still Sears?
No. Well, I don't know. There might be some Sears left. This is what I like. This back. It's like a Florida room back here.
Oh.
Like, look at it. Like, it's got, like, you can just look out the back windows. I just think that's so neat the way they did that. And this would roll out and make a bed back here too. So it's like a wraparound couch, but also you can sleep back in the back. It's like a second bed. 20 years, yeah. But seriously, for 20 years, it's not that bad.
Look at this. They have magnets that hold the lids up. That's nuts.
And it works.
How many times have somebody hit their head on that? Or get their head hit with that? What is that in there? Is that it? That's a heater.
Yeah.
This is for the roof vent.
Oh, that's right. You stick it up in there to...
Yeah, but that's a heater.
Yeah.
That's a bunch of poo.
20 years worth.
Holy sh!
Who knows what's in here?
Look, a speaker grill. Is that what that is?
For the high fidelity sound system.
There's a speaker. Oh, a nice dress coat.
Oh man,
Look at this.
You can wear that. That's all you right there, Rob.
Making fun of.
Look at that. So we got all the supplies to
Everything you need to start a Winnebago.
yeah, got the air compressor to pump up the tires, generator to run the air compressor, the battery back in there. I have a pet peeve when people put their hand in the video shot, so I'm doing it. Yeah, so there's a battery back there.
I got a bottle jack. I got some wood blocks, a gas tank, air hose, tools in the back of the truck. Everything we need. So we can drive it home.
Let's do it.
It's funny that there's air in them after 20 years. Wonder if they had at one point put air in the tires for whatever reason, because that's just odd. Right. I don't know, Black Widows. Yeah. Been attacked. Alright. That one actually looks better than the other one. I'm gonna leave it.
Yeah.
There's plenty of air in it. Oh, wait, here's where the batteries go. That's all rusted. Well, the floor is rusted, which is obvious. Which cables do you think work the engine? Yeah. Alright, well that was going forward. That was going backwards. So it's probably that, and the ground's just hooked to the chassis, which that's hooked to the chassis. So
I shared a ground between the motor and the house battery.
yeah, that ground wouldn't matter.
What is that?
I don't know what that is. The other one had it too, but the other one actually had it inside.
A breather?
Yeah, it's like a filter. I don't know what it's for. I'm pretty sure whatever it is, I don't need it. And I'm not gonna even worry about it. Look at that. Fresh. Like it's from day one. Well, let's see if the key turns the ignition. And then we can blow the rat's nest off the engine. It's Chrysler. Doesn't it go up? No. Oh, look at that.
How many miles?
55,000. Safety and economy cruise 50 to 55.
The old school label maker.
Yeah, right? Battery control. Both. Vertical? What the vertical mean? Both. Battery. Horizontal. One battery. Vertical, both batteries. That's horizontal. I'm assuming that would be the engine battery, not the house batteries. I'm not concerned with the house battery at the moment. That'd be for a
Still got
later
the
day.
bed.
It's different than the other one that just slides out like an accordion. The other one just drops straight down. They got fancier after time. All right, let's check out this beast underneath this cover. All I did was lift it up and I saw a big rat's nest.
Ooh, good.
Yep.
Golly.
The distributor's in the back though. Doesn't that mean it's a small block? Because I think a big block has a distributor up front.
surprised you can see the distributor.
I see the wires coming off of it. The distributor.
Oh.
And there's a bunch of, I'm going to have to blow that off because I don't want to catch anything on fire when those exhaust manifolds get hot. She said it ran when it was parked, so gotta run.
Means it'll run.
This looks like a Volkswagen deck lid. What's up with that? It's a 67 with the flat bottom.
Hey, there's a Connect 4 game here.
You want to play?
Hell yeah. Can I have that? Made in the USA. Oh, good God.
Fire up the generator. That was not enough.
The toilet's got one of them fancy covers on it. Ford?
Yeah.
Is this a Ford?
No, hell no. It's a Dodge. You know they don't make motorhomes out of Fords. A Ford can't pull a damn motorhome down the road.
Caution, open slider door and screen before closing outside door.
I think it might be like Hillborn injected. Ready? Ooh, look at all that.
Look at that, single barrel.
Got fresh air cleaner though. Oh yeah. It's a 2-barrel. It's got a big hole in top of the, I think it's a Carter carburetor. That's what's on the others.
This is easier to get to the fuel line.
This metal line here goes down to the fuel pump, so it'll be a hard to the fuel pump. So we should be able to just take that line off from the gas tank and hook up that boat gas tank to that. If the fuel pump works, and just put gas right in it. But we'll see.
I'm glad you got asbestos blown out of there. So
I breathed in most of it. Heavy. God!
messed up my shot.
Well, it didn't arc when I did that, and that red cable was hooked to the body here. And this red cable, I believe, is the one going to the engine. It's either that or it's not. That's how I know.
That or it's not.
It's one of those two.
Look what I found.
What is it? Crackers!
It's an MRE.
I love crackers.
They gotta be good still. We gotta try them.
I don't know what that is. Have they got like a date?
Yeah.
What?
It's got nutritional information. Can't be that old.
8229. That's not a date. Or maybe that's the year we. It's a long time from now.
I think they're good.
Yeah.
We're trying them, man.
Get a mouse in your pocket.
Yeah. All right, Ryan's gonna try to pull this thing out a little bit. Well, let me get on the other side. That went easier than planned. Was not expecting that to actually happen. Look at that.
Oh.
Came right out.
Oh. Tires, look at the back tires. They don't look that
Look
flat.
at the back. Look at that little air in them.
I thought it was just basically stuck in a hole.
Not even that bad.
Awesome.
First move in 20 years.
Okay, we keep doing that, like 3 million more times, we'll get it to the shop. You get in it, Rob. I'm gonna pull you to the shop. That'll work.
Yeah.
I do want to get it on the side of the road so that when Mick can get over here with the trailer, at least it's out of the dirt.
You want to try to do that today? Or
No, we don't have to do it today.
another day?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll bring a thing to put air in the tires the right way. The back tires, we can air them up the rest of the way. We need to tie that exhaust up because it's hanging. And then, but at least it'll be out and ready to go. And just gotta figure out how we're gonna get it up on the trailer. You're gonna have to push, Rob.
All right, we got it moved, but we've got to come back and kind of move it into a spot where we can get it hooked up with a trailer, and we got to come back with a trailer, so that's going to be another day. But
Yep.
Ryan got under there, tried to get it to crank or do anything, and pretty much everything's toast.
Yeah, it's just dirty. We need to take all the cables off, and it's kind of pointless to lay underneath of it, do all that, just get it home and like blow everything out, and then I can just replace the cables for that matter. You know, think, why put the cables on that are old and nasty? They don't even have ends on them. So we'll do that. We'll come back and we'll move it to the driveway, and then when we get Mick to come back with the trailer, the big trailer, we'll bring his truck in, my truck, and use Rob's super secret technique to winch it on. But the Dodge ripped it out of that hole that it's been in for 20 years. Pretty impressive.
Moved it like it was nothing. Oh, the sun.
Ooh. That is bright.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah.